Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about Claude AI as part of our Everyday AI Tools series. First, let's talk about what is Claude AI. Claude AI is an advanced AI assistant created by the Anthropic, a company that built with one mission, that is safety, honest, and genuinely helpful. We know in recent days, the US government has come with a proposal to Anthropic. The US government is asking unrestricted military use. They want to use this Anthropic AI unrestrictedly, as well as they want to access the large scale of data about the people, as well as they ask some rights inside Anthropic. But the Anthropic leadership denies it and said, we do not put people's and civilians' data at risk. Very simply, they answered. See how importance they are giving for the security of the user's data. That's why most of the people are saying in today's AI tools, one of the most trustworthy AI tool is Claude AI. And let us see what type of things that we can do with the help of Claude AI. Especially writing and editing. If you want to create an email or write something, essays, cover letters, social media posts, and you want to improve your existing writing in seconds, definitely one of the best tool for this. Not only that, brainstorming ideas. You want to create a project, you can come with an idea. So with the basic footprint of the idea, you can put it into Claude AI. Definitely it can elaborate that idea. It can give a lot of suggestions in your project. Not only that, explaining the topics. If you feel something is difficult, ask Claude AI. It will very simplifies the topic. Coding help, especially developers who want to write the code, who want to create the projects. You want to fix a bug and ask and take the help of Claude AI. Really, it can make very simple. The Claude AI is taking a deep dive into your entire project and try to understanding what technology you used to create the project, and everything it can easily manage that project. Not only that, summarizing the documents. For example, if you can provide a long PDFs, it can simply summarize them in just minutes. And planning and scheduling. You want to travel anywhere, just give your times, start time and end time. It can give you all the hotels, booking, workouts, and everything in an organized way it can give you. And also use this as a research partner. So if you are in a dilemma, maybe in some situations you may have some financial decisions or career dilemmas, relationship situations, everyday challenges, and you can take best advice, balanced and honest and perspectives. Language translation. It can translate the text. If you want to learn any foreign languages like Chinese, Japanese, definitely it can help you a lot. Not only those, a lot of languages are there in the world. You want to become professional in any one of the language, take the help of this AI tool. Definitely it can help you and you can become professional in speaking that language. What is the meaning of creative projects in a sense? It can write poems, it can write the stories, the scripts and song lyrics also. Maybe in future, directors, they may not require, for story writers may not require. Why? Because it is doing everything. See, it can do many things. I just take the top 10 things what the Claude AI can do. So it can do a lot of. These are the top 10 things I taken. But the Claude AI can do many things. Okay. So besides that, we want to talk why choose Claude AI. There are a lot of AI tools in everyday market. Why should I choose the Claude AI? What is the advantage? First thing, it is a trustworthy tool in the world. There are a lot of AI tools, but one of the trustworthy AI tool is Claude AI. That's why honest and direct. Many AI tools just agree with what you say, but a cloud is different. It is built to be honest and direct. If something seems wrong, cloud will tell you you are wrong. It will disagree with you. It won't go simply like S boss, I can do. It won't say like S boss. If something wrong, it will stop you there. you are doing something wrong. It can warns you, it can guide you. This is not the way, this is the way. So like this. It can handle some very long and huge documents also. I told you, if you can provide a textbook to this Claude AI, it can simply summarize how big the textbook it may be, right? And safe and trustworthy. That's why I'm telling you. This is one of the trustworthy tool built by Anthropic with the safety. This is the primary mission of this Claude AI is trustworthy and safety. Definitely, we can choose this AI tool. Many of the people are using this Claude AI today because it's not one job. It is doing multiple jobs. Why not? See the PPT, whatever you are seeing right now, this PPT is created by the Claude AI. I asked the Claude AI, I want to create a video on Claude AI. Give me a PowerPoint presentation. I given some prompt to that with these points. So based on those points, it created the prompt. It created the PPT. It can create the files. It can write the documents. If we can, if we have some data, provide the data huge. For example, I have an Excel sheet of 1 lakh records. You provide that 1 lakh records to Claude AI. Remember, it can make that data very beautifully, graphs with representations. It is a strong ethical backbone without being preachy or data. Claude has values, but doesn't lecture you constantly. It handles sensitive topics with maturity. There is no preaching, no lectures, no disclaimers. It will come straight to the point. What do you need? I will come to the straight point. So built for deep works, full reports, full projects, and complete solutions if you want anything. Not only that, better at following complex instructions. Give Claude a detailed multi-step prompt with a lot of conditions. It will follow through more accurately and consistently than the most competitor does. So we have a lot of AI tools. What they do, it is better than them, definitely, because I already started using this. Remember, I used many AI tools, but one of the AI tool, it is doing a very good job. Claude versus other AI tools. The future, Claude and other AI tools. If you have some time, please go through it. Who can use this Claude? Content creators, trainers, students, individuals, developers, and businesses, every individual employee. Essentially, anyone from individual users to large organization can use the Claude. So I'm not saying specific person. From individual to large organization, everybody can start using the Claude, either directly through Anthropic's products or through app provided by the Claude. In Claude, there are many things are there. Claude Cowork, Claude for desktop, Claude for code, Claude Code. So most of the developers are using Claude Code today to complete their works within short span of time. As well as how to use this Claude Code. If you don't know, don't bother. So the Claude Code is itself is providing some tutorials on it. So you can go anthropic.com/learn. At least, guys, you can go to the future courses. At least if you can take the Claude Code in Action and Claude 101. If you can take these two courses, I already taken these courses. So at least two courses if we can take, I think you will get complete idea what Claude AI can do. So if you are a developer, if you are some other business or some other person, you try to watch these two series. Definitely it can give you a complete idea how to work with Claude AI, how Claude AI will work. Really, I already completed them. So I'm suggesting everybody try to use this Claude Code AI. Yeah, finally, ready to try the Claude AI. So visit Claude AI and sign up for free and try to start work with the Claude AI. Really one of the most trustworthy AI tool in the market right now. Everybody can use this. If this video is helpful, like, subscribe. Thank you.